So we walked a little bit more, and this is literally about 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes away, and here we are at the great area where there's shops and restaurants and night spots. It's 2:24, so it's rather, in the afternoon, so it's not going to be jam-packed at this time, but it took me about 2 minutes to walk here, literally 2, and I'm just in a fantastic area that I can enjoy. So you've got outdoor dining that's over there, and then in the distance over here is, you can't really see it well, but it is the American Airlines Center, and that's where the Stars and Mavericks play and concerts are, and so you could get to that in about 7 minutes total walking. That's total. So no parking needed. You can just walk from your apartment and get to a lot of things that are here. So anyway, just a great area, clean area. It's very modern and it feels fresh. It feels very safe too. I like the feel. So I think you're gonna love it too. So this is another great area to explore. I'm walking back here just so you can see how quick it is, and then I'm going to show you just right there, literally right up there is the Skyhouse building. So to get from the lobby of the Skyhouse to where I was just at, seriously, 2 minutes. And getting to the perimeter of the Skyhouse, 1 minute. Hope you see what a great walkable lifestyle you'll have. And that's it, guys. Talk to you soon.